What's up, YouTube? It's me, Jspekz, back at another video. This video is on this headache that we all having over this Ring software update for our apps on our phone. Whether you have iPhone or Android, well, on my iPhone, at least like it said, hey, we decided to change your app instead of left or right for the battery. Usually used to be say left battery, right battery. But now somebody in Ring software staff decided to say, hey, let's be genius. Let's try something new. Let's, instead of left battery or right battery, let's just call it battery level 1 and battery level 2. Such a genius. That's a smart ass comment, by the way. If you, whoever like Ring staff watching this, whoever did that changes, yo, you guys gotta go. Us Ring community people that have been owning a Ring cameras, it's real simple. We used to love when you say left battery or right battery. It's real simple. It should be that simple, but no, most of us now have to guess which one is the left battery, which is battery level 1 or level 2, which one is the right battery, which is battery level 1 or battery level 2. Because I thought I changed my battery correctly, because battery say battery level 1 is low, so I changed the left side, but apparently it's not. So let's get to the bottom of this. Luckily, I have extra batteries that I can play with. So we're gonna figure out battery level 1, is it on the left side of your Ring Spotlight Cam battery, or is it located on your right side for your battery level 1, okay? So we gotta figure out once and for all which one is battery level 1 on our phone app. Is it left battery or right battery? And battery level 2, once we figure out where is the battery level 1, whether it's the left side of the slot on our Spotlight Cam or on the right side. It's real simple. Let's get into it. Man, here I am trying to relax. By the way, can I believe it? In a couple of hours, 2022 is over. 2023 is coming. So with that said, happy early New Year's, everyone. And leave me a comment, those of you that want to wish me Happy New Year. Peace out, be safe. Let's get into it. All right, YouTube, it's me, Jspekz. We back at it. We're gonna get to the bottom of this. To all the Ring community people that own Ring Spotlight Cam like myself that have dual battery slot, let's get into the bottom of this. We're gonna figure out where is battery level 1. Is it located, if you're facing straight from the camera, is it located on the left side, to our left side, or to our right side? We're gonna figure out where is battery level 1 located. Left side, if we're facing straight up from the camera, is it on the left side or is it on the right side? Because I just changed my battery. We say battery level 1 was low. I changed the battery and still low. So those of you that have this Ring Spotlight Cam or the new one, the Plus or the Pro, it's real simple. It's the same thing. If you're facing directly toward the camera, all right? When I said battery level 1 was low, I assume when I'm facing the camera directly, it was on the left side. So I changed the battery on the left side. And guess what? The battery is still low. So I'm guessing battery level 1 on our app, it will locate it on the right side. But let's get in the bottom of this, right? The reason why I make this video, those of you wonder, why the heck are you making this video, Jspekz? Because I love my subscriber. I love you guys all. For this reason. Everybody that always want to do something, always, if they cannot find it in Google, they go look to YouTube, right? I went to Google, nothing. I went to YouTube, nothing. Nobody make the video regarding this. But me, Jspekz, decided to make the video. So once and for all, those of you that wonder where is battery level 1 located and where is battery level 2 located, we're gonna get to the bottom of this, because I'll be the first one to upload this video, because I searched everywhere, nobody did it. Anyways, oh, sorry for the background noise. The wind is very windy here in Vegas today, and I'm literally in the backyard, so you can hear the airplane earlier. See, there's more airplane right there, right? If you can see it right there, yeah, because I'm literally in the backyard. Anyways, but those, like, you know, and then also the reason why I make this video, because I want to make it very convenient for those of you that have the, imagine if, see, this one is only like, you know, like a 5 foot tall, right? Imagine if your spotlight cam is all the way on top, like, you know, all the way on top, 9 foot up, right? It's not easy to try to figure this out, but for me it's very convenient. That's the reason why I decided to make this video, because my thing is like reachable. I don't have to step up the stairs or nothing, so I don't have to have anybody to help me video this. As you can see down there, there is 2 batteries, right? So if you're facing directly on the camera, there is 1 battery right there, and there is 1 battery right there. All right, so we're gonna figure out which one is battery level 1. Is it this one? If you're facing directly, so it's on the, is it on the left or is it on the right? All right, let's figure this out. Let's go. So earlier my Ring app said that, hey, battery level 1 is low, so I went ahead, come over here, I replaced this battery, which is this side, okay, with a new battery that fully charged. And then I open my app again, and guess what? Still low. So I'm guessing battery level 1 is located on this one. So I'm gonna press this, I'm gonna pull it out, put them up there, I'm gonna reach my pocket. That's the reason why, like, you know, I can do this too, because I have like 4 of this battery, because like this battery takes forever to charge. That's the reason why I bought 3 extra, because when I bought the camera, it's only come with 1, so I bought 3 extra, so I can put 2 on the camera right away and then 2 charging. Anyways, you bring it up there, wait until, push it up, click, and close this thing up, real simple like that. And we're gonna figure out, I'm gonna do a screenshot or screen recording on my phone, like how I uploaded earlier. So let's see if that's fixed the issue. So battery level 1, level 2, we're gonna figure you out right now. Well, there you go. We finally figured out. Those of you that wonder, if you're facing the camera directly in front of it, which one is battery level 1? It's located, if you're facing straight up, battery level 1 is located to the right of the camera, and battery level 2 is located to the left of the camera. All right, so in other words, here I'm going to show you one more time the slot on the bottom. There's 2, right? This one and this one. This is battery level 1, and this is battery level 2. Look at my finger. Level 2, battery level 2, battery level 1. All right, and that is all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. While I'm out here freezing my butt off, it's very windy today. I'm out of here. Peace out. Happy New Year once again. Don't forget to leave a comment right down below and wish me a Happy New Year too, alright? And share my video. Peace out. I'm out. Be safe, everybody.